Watch till the end for your score. Question 1. Which bird was used to send messages in history? B. Pigeon. Question 2. Which bird do people like the most? B. Parrot. Question 3. Which bird is a symbol of peace? A. Dove. Question 4. Which bird eats grains and lives near houses? A. Sparrow. Question 5. Which bird is known for making beautiful nests? B. Weaver bird. Question 6. Which bird is famous for its colorful feathers? A. Peacock. Drop a comment. What number was the eagle?